Here's how we can unblock certain sites on the Google Chrome on Android. So let's get started. If you are new here or first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So on the Androids, the app to do it is called Family Link, made by Google. So you can find it likely already on your phone. So you should be able to open it up like that. However, you might as well just go there through the settings by opening up the main settings app, then digital well-being and parental controls, and at the bottom we have the parental controls menu, which basically pulls up the family link. And the point is that in here you can control what exactly is allowed in terms of browsing YouTube, Google Play apps, Google Search, Assistant, Photos, and so on. So in here you can as well just tap on the Google Chrome and web and decide if you allow all sites or try to block explicit sites. So it's going to be a filter. It's telling you right here that no filter is perfect, but this should help hide explicit sites. So that's something that you can enable. But to block some specific URLs that you know about, you can tap on blocked sites below and literally type in the URL right here. You add a site to the blocked list, and it's going to mean that that website is not going to be accessible. It doesn't matter if it's a incognito mode or regular browsing mode, and this website is not going to work. You also have some advanced settings, so you can manage it right here however you like it. So that's how you can essentially set that up, but you might as well set up a passcode for it if you want to set it up for someone else. So it really depends on your situation, but that's how you can use it. So I really hope that I was able to help you out with it. In case of any further questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.